the last time. Are you guys excited?
Yes. Absolutely. So, hello everyone. Today we are going to conduct a debate between should government give these facilities to the normal citizens or the government should not. So this team is on the side of government should give these or you can say facilities to the citizens, and this our team is on the side of the government should not give any kind of these or facilities to citizens. So let's start free facilities. So let's start from our team, Varish. So from our basic points that we all know about, yes sir. So from our basic points that we all get to know that if we get any free facilities, so like suppose that we all get a free thing.
Everybody
So
hear his voice or not?
yes, yes.
Are you able to hear his voice or not?
So by the free facilities we will become greedy and lazy. Because of the greediness we can destroy our career also.
So according to my point of view, that I would just want to say that first it will be create a discrimination between among the people. For example, it clarify or show that the other peoples are the greater than you. It will be also discriminate or inequality type of things will be happen. This side Mohit.
So now my point, it creates dependency on the others. For example, only if we are giving the money to a beggar, then we are acting as a government, and the beggar is acting as the peoples who are getting the facilities, and the money are acting as the free facilities. When we are giving the free facilities to the peoples, then what is happening? They are getting stick to the daily routine of theirs. They are not developing their personality, and when they are not developing their personality, our country will not move ahead. Our workforce will be less.
And people do not responsible on their life, and also what happen most of the time when the facilities of government people can most of the people can take more facilities as compared to other people. So in this situation what happen, there are many people who have need to the facilities, so they can't achieve that facilities which can facilities can government give to the people which can take more.
Yes.
Coming to us to be, I wanted to say some table points what I am going to talk about. First thing is that quality. In the quality, let's take an example of midday meal. In the school midday meal, as you all know that in the school midday meal there is not too much of quality, like it's come from the government, but the quality is not good. Let's take an example of my past days when there was my friend named Ayush who was really obsessed with the midday meal, and he really liked midday meal. After that, after some time, he started to knew that the midday meal is not getting good. Day by day, it's getting worse. Day by day, it's getting. But after that, when the Ayush got the midday meal, so in the midday meal there was a poisonous potato, and he found that he complained to the principal, and they went to the government, but government started to do this again and again, and then the Ayush left the school because he got sick because of the midday meal. So talking about the quality is not good of that. Talking and also coming to us to the quantity of midday meal quantity is not that much of a person. Like if in my school there's a in my school, like I want to get the midday meal, but usually I don't take the midday meal. But if I want to take the midday meal, so the auntie will say that you will waste the things, you will not eat the things.
Yes. So yeah, so free facilities. The government give the free facilities to the people, like in the Olympics game. The in the Olympic game there is a closing date 11th August 2024. But you all know the China on the top and India is on the 74 because of the government not giving the free facilities to that players. So I explain in the second round. Thank you.
Love ko do.
So the government give the free facilities. When I give one example, education. When a government give free facilities, so every student make a good, and the India became on the top in education. So thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Rishu, and today I am telling about government should be free facilities.
Government should give.
Government should be government should be facilities and subsidies like ration. In this country have a lot of people like a low middle class family not afford, they do not afford for money and any buy the foods ration. So that time people, if government should be provide the food, then people low middle class family buy the food and eat the food, because this time low middle class family
Thank you.
sometimes they
Thank you.
do not eat.
Harsh.
Hi. So, you know that how much people struggles a lot for earning money. If midday meal is not programmed in schools, it's too bad for childrens, because of they not get food from school, and they because of his their empty stomach, they would not they have empty stomach, and due to it they not interesting take interest in their study, and due to it the loss of its on their education. It's too bad for them, especially for their education and for their
Thank you.
empty stomach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
इधर जाओ, इसको देखो.
So, hello everyone, my topic is midday meal.
Louder.
Midday meal is important because from the empty stomach, children cannot focus in their studies, and midday meal is a scheme done by government in 1945 by Tamil Nadu's government.
Yes. Pranshu.
So hello everyone. So today I am good. Today we are
Closer. Mic close.
So today I am with the good facilities are good, because in this time ration facility is good, because we all know that all the groceries are having a lot of cost, because in this time the free facilities are shows equality, because all people have not ration like a grocery shop, grocery things like all the peoples have no, but the free facilities we have lot of grocery shop, we have lot of grocery things like rice, wheat and etc things. Take a little big example of midday meal. Midday meal is started for to increase the students in the school, because we all know that in the government school lot of people are very poor and very not affordable to study and not afford to lot of things, but at the same time government should take action on it, and he start the midday meal program and increase the attendance on the students.
So I have tell you to security of the women, because of government do not give the security of women, because of so many kind of bad persons and bad people are bully to the women, and women can do anything because of they do not have power to do anything, like so much kind of people has say, but uh, government give the security of women. They do not any kind of people do not bully him and do not bad things with him. So hello guys, my name is Aniket Rana. My today's topic is toilet, right or wrong. So what is toilet? What is toilet? It is a sanitizing object. Now what is you can like we are doing washroom in our home, so that's not affect our viral infection. If we are doing urine like in outside, like here we are outside, we are doing here urine like so we will get like any of the insect will came in, and they can infect they can absorb our urine and they can fly in our body, and then they can spread in the urine, and then we get many of the kind of diseases like germs, fever, etc. we get.
Suryansh.
Government provide a good security of the girls. They mostly girls cannot be secure ourselves. The most people are tease and her, kidnap him. They will are people cannot be help her. The government provide a CCTV camera in roads and gullies. They are with security of the girls. Thank you.
थैंक यू डन सबने बोल दिया एवरीबॉडी ओके गो
So that's necessary to like it is safely and necessary to safely use women in the like malls and in outside it is safely because women are not in outside doing washroom, they are in safely places necessary.
थैंक यू